What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my first video of 2020. I do apologize for not uploading any other videos for this whole year, but as you know, this pandemic has been a bit crazy with all the regulations and rules and stuff. I personally have been working the entire time and my work's just gotten even more and more busy, but that doesn't mean I haven't been working on my car in the background. As you can see, I've made quite a few changes. I'm going to show you everything right now. But before I give you a walk around of the car, I'd first like to say welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for sticking around to all the old subscribers, and stay tuned because there's tons more content to come soon. We're finally at 1,000 subscribers. I actually can't believe it. It's insane to think about. And to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to organize to make a special video for all of you guys. So without any further ado, let's go see what's happened during lockdown. So to start off with, as you can see, I cut some stickers for the bonnet. I think it looks really cool. I still need to do this passenger side fender, but I'll do that in one of my videos that I upload. It's not a lot of work, it's just a bit cuck. I only get just a plain black bumper with a VR6 lip. I pulled the plastic dip off my rims. I think it looks a million times better. And I just want to polish the lips and I think it will look very nice. I would love to get a set of coilovers eventually, but that's something for the future. I'm sure you guys are wondering what the hell these things are. This is something I designed. They're window vents. They fit straight into the recess in your rubbers and the window locks them in. As you can see, very sturdy, and it's just to allow some extra airflow in the car when you have all the windows up and it's a nice warm day. Gotta rep the old Zooped Up squad and Loud and Rowdy. Shout out to you, Wade. I tinted all the rear windows. I've also done an LED bulb upgrade for the brake and indicator lights, but I'll show you that when it's a bit darker and you can see it nicely. Exhaust still comes out the side like a madman, but I love it, makes all the right noises. Currently I'm still running the standard vented brake discs, but I want to get the Delray Racing Development big brake kit upgrade. Inside, not much has changed. Still got the boost gauge there, air fuel ratio gauge there, normal dash, water temperature, oil temperature, fuel pressure, radio dictator, start button, and these are for the two fans on the radiator. Other than that, not much else has changed. Got the essential hand sanitizer, as that's become life recently. I've set up a tripod here to try get some more in-car footage. These are the window vents from the inside. They're really cool. I love them. If you guys want a set for your Golf, let me know. They aren't the cheapest, but they're definitely unique, and I'm pretty sure I'm the only person with them. I'm going to pop the bonnet and show you guys what we've done under the hood. First of all, wastegate out the bonnet. Everyone thinks it's fun and games until it squirts all over your windscreen. Yeah, not too sure if I'm going to do anything about it, change it up or anything, but I definitely want to try and make a guard or something. As you can see, it does become a bit of a hassle with all the dirt, but it sounds really good. As it stands, I haven't changed too much. We got a Malpassi fuel pressure regulator in the corner there. Most important part that I've upgraded during lockdown. That's what gives you the reliability that you really need on a turbo motor. Other than that, all I've really done is just neaten everything up. I made a bracket for the fuel filter, doesn't wiggle around anymore. New coolant bottle. Yep, I got a solid rear engine mount from Delray Racing Developments. Took the front engine mount out. Not sure if you'll be able to see it from here. No, not really. So took the front engine mount out and have the solid rear engine mount now. It makes the world of difference and I'm so happy with it. The boost controller fitted here. As you can see, I've been keeping myself quite busy during lockdown regarding my car. I haven't made many videos because I just do a small bit now, a small bit then, and eventually it all adds up to getting the car finished, or not finished, but closer to driving and finishing up all the small bits that have been annoying me along the way. Unfortunately, I didn't take many videos at the dyno. There was a bit of drama with my Mark III Golf. Starter motor and the battery both took a cuck on one day, so I had to run around and race to get that all sorted to take this car there. I took it on a trailer. Ended up making 143 kilowatts and 267 newton meters at 0.7 bar boost. Not too bad. I'm very happy with it. The power curve is ideal. I'll throw up the dyno sheet here. Here are some of the dyno snippets I got while Dwayne was tuning the car. I'm super happy with the results. The car is super reliable, hasn't given me a day's issue since. I think the reason why I didn't make much more power is because I lowered the compression a bit too much, but at the end of the day, it means it's a bit more reliable. I told him it can make whatever power as long as I can get in and drive without having to worry every day. How's it, guys? So currently it's the next day. Not gonna lie, when I did try to record some in-car clips of me driving, I drove my car cuck hard, only to realize the recording app that I use crashed twice on 2 different occasions. So what I'm going to do now is quickly show you guys the LED indicators that I've put in, and I'm quickly running to the shop, so I'll bring you guys along and hopefully we can get some lacquer in-car footage. Let me show you these indicators. So I've wired the inner reverse light bulbs to be indicators, and I've changed them all to LED bulbs. I've got the hazards going at the moment. As you can see, I think it looks quite cool. What I've also done is put LED brake light bulbs in, so it all complements each other. And as it's flashing here, you can see that everything's in sync and nothing's flashing out of time. Unfortunately, it did start raining while I was driving now. I didn't want to push the car at all with the roads wet, because that always ends badly. When I went to go visit one of my friends, Emil, recently, he took his GoPro with us when I took him for a drive, so I'll insert that footage here for you guys to check how the car pulls on a lacquer dry road.
Dude, it pulls very nice. Yeah. turbo noises the whole time. flying a fucking airplane. Like turbo noises.
Thanks for sticking around, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my first video of 2020. I promise you I'll do my best to start uploading more videos. I've got tons of ideas of things to do in the future, and I'm also waiting for robot racing to start again because I definitely want to take my car there. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so at least you know every time I upload. Have a good one, guys. We'll check you in the next one.